Students, today we will take section B of your question paper, that is writing skill. In your writing skill, we will take diary entry today. Now, diary entry is a record of daily entries organized by date where an individual expresses his thoughts, feelings, opinions and plans. It is a type of personal document. In simple language, we can say that it is a collection of notes or it is just like chapters of a book. Just for your information, someone who keeps a diary is known as diarist. Diary is just a type of personalized document that one keeps to himself. It is not shown to everyone. Now, this is a format of diary entry. While writing diary, you have to follow a proper format. And the format is, the first thing is, everything is written on left hand side. At the top, you have to write three things, that is date, day and time. Now, while writing date, you have to be careful. You have to write date in the given format, that is 24th April, comma, then 2020. This is the proper format of writing date, then day as it is. And when you are writing time, you have to be careful that time should be mostly evening time, because diaries are written at the end of the day, either in the evening or during night. Then comes content. In content, you have to get a little bit information or a little bit introduction of the topic given. Topic will be given in your question paper. Then you have to write about your feelings. That is, for example, how you felt your day. Today I felt very happy, or the day was surprising for me, or the day was awful. Like this, you have to start giving your feelings. Then after writing feelings, you have to focus on your incident or on the event given in the question paper, that what is the event or which you are going to describe, or which was the most important part for you today. Then after incident, you have to write about your future plans. Future plans means what changes you can make regarding your event. Means after looking at the event, how you felt and what you would like to change. That means what are the thoughts that are coming in your mind. And at last, you have to give your final remark or further actions you will take regarding the event or regarding the incident. In the final remark or in the further action, you have to write the message or the moral values that you have learned from today's event, or what you have learned from today. This is what you have to write in your final remark. Then at last, on left hand side, you have to write your name. This is the format of a proper diary entry. Then there are some tips for writing diary. The first is that in diary entry, simple past, present perfect or future tense is used. Then try to use first person pronoun. Then conversational and friendly language should be used. Simple language should be used. Then references to parents, friends may be given in the personal, means you may refer to your parents or to your friend in your diary. Last but not the least, stress should be given on feelings, reactions, emotions rather than on event. So this was your diary entry, which is very important for all the classes, mostly class 9th and class 10th. Thank you, students.